everyone, I am Rina K. I'm here at Thermoweb's booth at Creativation, and I am revealing my brand new line of Electropop embellishments to go along with my neon ink collection. So we have 4 colors that we're releasing. It's Hello Yellow, Poppin' Pink, Orange Glow, and Screamin' Green. And it's hard to find neon embellishments that go with neon products, so we wanted to create a line to really create different looks, but the way to tie in all the neon goodness together. So we have 4 glitz glitter gels. We have 4 types of flock in case you want to add a fuzzy texture to your projects. And we also have a brand new neon enamel, which is kind of a gel polish leather finish, which is very new and fun. And it's just a way to add texture and create a lot of dimension in your cards. And we also have 2 new stamp and stencil systems to create fun, sweet looks or fun tropical foliage. And you can use all the products together, and you can only find it here at Creativation and Thermoweb's booth.
Hi everybody, it's Dawn at Thermoweb, and today I am sharing our new Decofoil products. The first product is our new toner printed card fronts done in collaboration with Unity Stamp Company. These are a really super easy way for card makers to start foiling. You're going to take your pre-printed design, wipe it with a dust-free cloth. You're going to layer a piece of Decofoil on top with the shiny side up, and then you're going to put that inside a folded piece of parchment, and you're going to run it through a hot laminator. Once it goes through the laminator, it's going to come out, and all of those black lines that you see are going to pick up our metallic foil. So this designer ran her design with orange foil and then added some ink blending over the top. So this is the before and this is the after. So those are toner card fronts by Decofoil. We're also really excited to share 2 new Decofoil transfer gels that can be used with all of your stencils. You're going to apply it through the stencil and let it dry, and then you have 2 options here. If you use the Decofoil Transfer Gel Duo, you're going to get results that kind of look like this. So it'll dry clear and shiny, and it's actually a little tacky to the touch. So at this point, I can go ahead and put a piece of Decofoil over the top of it. And again, I can run it through that laminator like I did the card front, or now with this gel, I can actually run it through my die cut machine and apply it with just pressure. So I'm going to do that for you here. Let me just run it through. And whenever you run it through a die cut machine, you really want to add a cardstock shim underneath to add a little bit of extra pressure, just to make sure you get a really great foil transfer. So I am just going to peel that away, and you can see those incredible results. And again, no laminator needed. That's just with your die cut machine. Transfer Gel Duo. The other transfer gel we're showing is this Transfer Gel Blanco, and it actually creates a white base coat effect on dark paper, so that when you're transferring lighter colors of our Decofoil flock, which is a fuzzy paper, it's going to keep its nice, accurate, light color. So this gel is a little different in that you must use heat to do the transfer. And then the last thing we're showing here at the show for Decofoil, we've had flock sheets for a year now. This year we've introduced some new colors, but we just wanted to remind people you can use flock sheets like regular paper. So you can die cut it, you can stamp on it, you can also run it through an embossing folder to create this fun fuzzy texture for your cards. So that's everything new from Decofoil. Thanks for joining us.